class 9. Now today we will continue the chapter Gravitation Physics class 9. So today's lesson is variation in acceleration due to gravity. Variation of acceleration due to gravity. We know that the acceleration relation between acceleration due to gravity and gravitational constant is g equals to g into capital M divided by r square. It is the relation between acceleration due to gravity and the gravitational constant. So from this equation we can say that the value of acceleration due to gravity, value of g depends on gravitational constant, mass of earth and the radius of the earth. So value of acceleration due to gravity depends on the gravitational constant, mass of earth and the radius of earth. We know that the gravitational constant and mass of earth both are constant. Gravitational constant and mass of earth both are constant. But what is different? But the radius of the earth r is not constant. How? Radius of earth is not constant, as earth is not a perfect sphere. Why radius is not constant? Because the earth is not a perfect sphere. Therefore the value of g changes from place to place on the surface of the earth. So values of acceleration due to gravity changes from place to place because of the variable radius of the earth. So some of these changes are briefly discussed. So we can see here, so radius of the equator is RE and radius of the pole is RP. So on the pole there is a flat surface. So radius of pole, this is RP, this is also RP and it is RA. When the radius increases, acceleration due to gravity decreases. When the radius decreases, acceleration due to gravity is increases. So from figure you can say that RP is radius of pole is less than the radius of equator. So at the equator, so radius is large at the equator compared to the radius of pole. So at the equator, acceleration due to gravity is small, and at the pole the acceleration due to gravity is large because of small radius as compared to the radius of equator. So what are the effects of variation of acceleration due to gravity on earth? So number one effect is effect of shape of earth on g, and number two is effect of height above the surface of earth on g. Number three is effect of depth below the surface of the earth on g. Now we will discuss in details. So effect of shape of earth on g. So first is effect of shape of earth on g. Okay, effect of shape of earth on g. This is the case 1. As is known, earth is flattened at the pole. I already told you that the earth is flattened on the pole. There is North Pole and South Pole, and balls out at the equator. Balls out at the equator. Flattened at the pole and balls out at the equator. So therefore polar radius of Earth is Rp. So these are the polar radius. Polar radius of Earth is Rp. It is represented by Rp. Is minimum. So polar radius is minimum because of flattened. Because of flattened, the polar radius is minimum, and the equatorial radius of Earth Re is maximum. Why maximum? Because of its bulge surface. That's why the radius at the equator is maximum. So acceleration due to gravity at pole is represented by Gp equals to Gm by Rp square. That is maximum because of small radius. Because of minimum radius, the acceleration due to gravity is maximum from the center of the Earth. Next is acceleration due to gravity at equator is represented by Ge. So this equals to Gm by Re square. It is minimum. Why minimum? Because the equatorial radius of Earth is maximum as compared to the radius of the pole. So this is the case of effect of shape of Earth on G. Now next is effect of height above the surface of the Earth on G. Effect of height. As you move above the surface of the Earth, the distance R from the center of the Earth increases. If you move away from the Earth surface, the distance will increase. Distance R will increase. So as G equals to Gm by R square, it is small letter r because here it is small letter r. Therefore, value of acceleration due to gravity decreases with height above the surface of the Earth. If you move away from the surface of the Earth, the acceleration due to gravity will decrease. Near the surface of the Earth, acceleration due to gravity is maximum. If you move away from the surface of the Earth, acceleration due to gravity will decrease slowly. So, suppose for 200 km from above the surface of the Earth. So for 200 km, acceleration due to gravity will be 9.23 meter per second square. Actually, what is the value of acceleration due to gravity? It is 9.8 meter per second square. It is on the surface of the Earth. The acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the Earth is 9.8 meter per second square. So after now move from the surface of the Earth to 1000 km. So 1000 km, the acceleration due to gravity will be 7.34 meter per second square. Means distance increases, means acceleration due to gravity will decrease. After thousands, for 5000 km, the acceleration due to gravity will be 3.08 meter per second square. Okay, now the last case is effect of depth below the surface of the Earth on G. Okay, effect of depth below the surface of the Earth on G. So most of you might be thinking that as you go down the surface of Earth, the value of radius of Earth R decreases. As you move inside the surface of the Earth, the value of radius will decrease. Therefore, G must be increasing, but it is not true. The value of acceleration due to gravity decreases as we go down inside the Earth. Inside the Earth, towards the center, the value of acceleration due to gravity will decrease so much so that at the center of the Earth G is 0. At the center of the Earth, please keep in mind these things. So center of the Earth G equals to 0. Acceleration due to gravity. The value of acceleration due to gravity at the center of the Earth is 0. So we can conclude that the value of acceleration due to gravity is maximum at the surface of the earth. Suppose now this is the part of the surface of the earth. On the surface it is 9.8 meter per second square acceleration due to gravity. So inside the surface, now acceleration due to gravity will decrease to zero value, g equals to 0. So here g equals to 9.8. From above the surface of the earth or inside the surface of the earth, acceleration due to gravity will decrease. Only on the surface there is a maximum value of acceleration due to gravity. Okay, these are the cases of variation of acceleration due to gravity. Variation in acceleration due to gravity. Okay, this much for today. Thank you.